It's a tragedy that has in fact shaken the nation. The main accused in the cough syrup tragedy that killed 20 children, in fact over 20 children, has been nabbed. But even as the probe continues, political blame game also continues simultaneously on a parallel track. Tracked down to a relative's house after days on the run, police says he was planning to flee abroad. Post-mortem reports are in and investigators say more arrests are now likely. But even as the probe widens, let us tell you, the political blame game has also been intensifying because Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav has come out to allege non-cooperation from the Tamil Nadu government, accusing the DMK of delaying key inputs required in the investigation. The AIDMK too has hit out, calling it a regulatory failure by the DMK government, saying unchecked manufacturing of spurious cold syrup led to the death of 20 innocent children. Tamil Nadu BJP's Annamalai has called it a shameful incident for Tamil Nadu's pharma sector, claiming over 364 violations were ignored as the company continued to operate. But the Tamil Nadu government, on the other hand, has also rejected all charges, saying a ban was issued immediately after contamination was found and that the Centre and Madhya Pradesh initially claimed that the medicine was safe. Health Minister M.A. Subramaniam insists Tamil Nadu acted fast while others are now playing politics on the same.
कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट से गलती हुई है कि वहाँ से जब दवाई बाज़ार में आने से पहले उनको गुणवत्ता चेक करनी चाहिए थी उसमें कहीं ना कहीं चूक हुई है। तो तमिलनाडु सरकार ने जिसने उसको लाइसेंस दिया था मैन्युफैक्चर का, उनकी जवाबदारी थी कि कोई भी बैच यदि बाज़ार में वितरण के लिए जा रहा है उसकी गुणवत्ता जाँच कर ली जानी चाहिए, जो कि नियमानुसार अनिवार्य है। तो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी चूक तमिलनाडु सरकार के द्वारा भी हुई है।
जो रंगनाथन है उनकी गिरफ्तारी SIT जो कि छिंदवाड़ा से इस कार्य हेतु गई थी, उसने जो है बड़ी मशक्क़त के बाद वहाँ पे उनको जो है अरेस्ट किया है और अरेस्ट करने के बाद उनको विधिवत मेडिकल करा करके अभी ट्रांजिट रिमांड लेने की प्रक्रिया अभी जारी है। तो जैसे जैसे तथ्य सामने आते जाएंगे, अगर डॉक्टर्स हैं तो डॉक्टर, वेंडर है तो वेंडर, और होलसेलर है या रिटेलर है तो उसका क्या रोल है इस पूरे घटनाक्रम में, उसके अनुसार जो कार्रवाई इसके खिलाफ की जाएगी। मेन अक्यूज नहीं है, वन ऑफ द अक्यूज्ड हैं, वो दो लोग तो हैं ही हैं, इसके अलावा और भी बढ़ सकते हैं।
A company like this based out of Kanchipuram, now it is coming to light more than 364 violations were found at different points of time. Still this company was allowed to function, still this company was allowed to export medicines to different parts of our country. Tragically in Madhya Pradesh, lot of children have died, in Rajasthan lot of children have died. I personally believe the Tamil Nadu government should take responsibility because this company was functioning right under our eyes, and CM should make a statement, review the whole process and make sure all the companies functioning like that, they go through a process quality audit in the next 15 days